The technology racing to save lives. After the Venezuela earthquake, a city can change forever, in less than a minute. One moment, families are eating dinner, children are playing, and life feels normal. The next, the ground begins to shake. Buildings collapse. Power disappears. Dust fills the air. And thousands of people become trapped beneath mountains of concrete. For rescue teams, the countdown starts immediately. They have just 72 hours, the window when the chances of finding survivors are highest. But this time, rescuers aren't relying on courage alone. They're using some of the most advanced technology ever deployed in a disaster zone. This is the race to save lives after the Venezuela earthquake. When the earthquake struck Venezuela, entire communities were left devastated. Roads cracked. Buildings collapsed. Communication networks were disrupted. Emergency crews rushed toward danger, knowing every minute could mean the difference between life and death. But disasters like this create an impossible challenge. How do you find one person trapped beneath thousands of tons of rubble? Searching every building by hand could take days. And in a disaster, days are a luxury rescuers simply don't have. The first technology, drones. Before rescue teams even enter some neighborhoods, drones take to the sky. Flying over collapsed buildings, they create detailed maps of the destruction in just minutes. From above, emergency teams can identify blocked roads, damaged bridges, and the areas suffering the worst devastation. Some drones also carry thermal cameras. These cameras can detect differences in heat, helping rescuers focus on places where survivors may still be alive. Instead of searching blindly, they search intelligently. AI joins the search. Now comes something even more powerful. Artificial intelligence. A single drone flight can capture thousands of images. Looking through every picture manually could take hours. AI can analyze them in minutes. It highlights collapsed structures, identifies possible access routes, and helps rescue coordinators decide where to send teams first. AI isn't replacing firefighters or paramedics. It's helping them make faster decisions when every second matters. Because sometimes, saving just 10 minutes can save a life. Robots, sensors, and human heroes. Some spaces are simply too dangerous for rescuers. That's where technology goes first. Small robots can crawl through narrow gaps beneath collapsed buildings. Special sensors can detect tiny movements or faint sounds that humans might miss. Listening devices can pick up tapping, voices, or vibrations deep beneath the rubble. But even with all this technology, the most important tool is still the people using it. Firefighters, engineers, medical teams, volunteers, and search dogs whose instincts continue to save countless lives. Technology doesn't replace heroes. It gives heroes a better chance. The future. Earthquakes cannot be stopped. But every disaster teaches us how to respond better to the next one. Tomorrow's rescue missions may use AI that predicts where survivors are most likely to be trapped. Autonomous drones could search around the clock. Robots may become faster, smaller, and capable of reaching places no human ever could. The tragedy in Venezuela is a reminder of nature's incredible power, but it also shows humanity at its best. When innovation, determination, and compassion come together, technology becomes more than machines. It becomes hope. And sometimes, hope is what saves a life.